9th class student, exercise mensuration. 16.3, let the side of square is equal to 2a semi. Diameter of in circle will be diagonal side of square or 2a semi. Then r is equal to 2a upon 2. Radius of in circle is equal to a semi. Diameter of square, diagonal of square is equal to diameter of circle. Diameter of square is equal to, formula is side and root 2. Diameter of circle is equal to, under side is 2a or under root 2 is according to formula. So then radius of circle sum is equal to upon 2 divided by 2, a under root 2 is radius of circumcenter. Circumference of in circle. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Then 2 pi r value is a semi. Two into pi into r value is a. 2a pi semi is our circumference of the in circle. As circumference of circumcircle circumcircle 2 pi r. 2 is 2, pi is pi, r value is a under root 2. So circumference 2 under root 2 a pi semi. Then write in ratio circumference of in circle upon circumference of circumcircle is equal to 2a pi upon 2 under root 2 a pi. After cutting 1 upon under root 2, 1 ratio under root 2 will be ratio between in circle, circumference of in circle and circumcircle. Now we find the area of both circle. Area of in circle. Pi r square is a pi a square pi semi square area of the in circle. Area of circumcircle is equal to pi r square is formula. Pi, write the pi a under root 2 square after square 2a square pi semi square. Write in ratio area of in circle, area of circumcircle. Is equal to a square pi upon 2a square pi. After cutting a square 1 upon 2, there will be ratio in their areas. Question number 26 is complete. 27. First part is 27. First part is 27. A running track a rectangular surrounded by both parts are equal. Put the name racing track, track divided by rectangular and semicircular part. Length of rectangular part is equal to 200 meter and diameter is 70 meter. Width of track is 7 meter. In the given the question, we find the area of dotted by running track without dotting marked by enclosure. Cross it. PQ is equal to length rectangular shape is equal to 200 meter and TP is equal to breadth 70 meter. Area of rectangular part. Area will be rectangle 200 into 70 after multiply 14,000 meter square. This is area by area is rectangular part. Diameter of semicircle is equal to breadth of rectangular part. Diameter is equal to 70 meter, then R is equal to 70 upon 2, 35. R is equal to radius of this will be center meter. Radius is our 35 meter. This part or this part make a complete circle. Area of both semicircle. Part is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 pi r square. 2 into 1 by 2, 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 35 divided by 2, 27 upon 22 upon 7, 35 into 35. 7 divided by 35 is 5. After multiply 110 multiply by 13. 55, 5 or 3, 8. This will be area of both semicircular part is whose show the without dotted. Area of first part is area of grassed enclosure is equal to rectangular shape is equal to 14,000 and 3,850 meter is circular. Semicircular both. After plus 58, 17. 17, 8. Meter square is first part is complete. Second part is outer parameter of track. To find the outer parameter of track will be 200 and outer track is equal to 7 meter. तो कैपिटल R is equal to outer radius (35 plus 7) is equal to 42 meter. Perimeter of both circular part, both semi-circular part, 2 into 1 upon 2, 2 pi capital R, 2 by 2 2 into 22/7 into 42, 46 जा और 12 2 जा 24, 26 meter. That is parameter of the circular part is 264 meter and rectangular part 200 plus 200. Perimeter of rectangular part is equal to 200 plus 200 is equal to 400 meter. Parameter of the track, perimeter of outer track is equal to 400 plus 264, 664 meter will be length of the outer track. Question number 27, first part is complete. Question number 28. Question number 28 is both circle are given. 28 A part. A part is circle, in circle touched by point, that is point C. C will be radius CNB and AC. AC will be radius of the AC radius of greater circle is equal to 8 semi. AB is equal to 3 semi. Given in question, then BC is equal to, BC will be radius of the in circle is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 cm. Area of greater circle pi you can write the R, capital R and small r. Capital R square pi R square value is 8. After remove the square, 64 pi semi square is area of greater circle. Then area of in circle pi R square. R is equal to 5 square. After squaring 25 pi same square. Then area of shaded part is equal to 64 pi minus 25 pi. After minus 9 or 3 centimeter square is putting the value 39 into 27 up 22 upon 7. Then upon 7 29 ja 22 9 ja 109 9 or 66 or 85. After divide 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14, semi square is 28. Question is first part. Second part will be second part B part 28 question number. Four quadrant, you complete the square, make a square with radius dotted is shaded part, without dotted make a complete square. 7 radius 7 radius 7 7 7 or 7 or 7. This type is make a radius of quadrant. Is equal to 7 semi side of square will be 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 semi. Then area of square is equal to 14 square is equal to 196 semi square. That is area of the complete square. Then area of all quadrant is equal to 4 equal part 1 upon 4 pi r square is 1 quadrant. So 4 into 1 upon 4, pi value is 22 upon 7, r value is 7. 4 divided by 4, 27 into 7 into 7, 7 divided by 7, 22, 7 ja 154, Semi square is without shaded part. Area of shaded part is equal to 196 minus 154 after minus 42 semi square is 28 B part. 29 is question first part. And ABCD square ABCD is a square which side is 56 meter. Side of square is equal to 56 meter. Area of square (56 square) is equal to 56 square is equal to 316. 3136 is meter square. Area of the (31, 36) is area of the complete square. 1, 2, 3 or 4 equal part. Diagonal AC diagonal of square is equal to side under root 2 is formula. So 56 under root 2 meter is diagonal. Radius of the quadrant is equal to 56 under root 2 upon 2. Half of the diagonal of square divided by 2, 28. 28 under root 2 meter is radius of the quadrant. You mean 3 or 4 with dotted. 3 or 4 part is 1 or 2 part is area of 3 and 4 both are quadrant with dotted. Two part is quarter formula is 1 upon 4 pi r square. With shaded part. 2 into 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into r value is 28 under root 2 divide by 2 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 28 under root 2 into 28 under root 2 2 7 7 4 ja 2 2 ja 4 after multiply 56 22 into 56 132 14 13 56 under root 2 multiply under root 2 is 2 clear और 22 2 जा 28 2 जा 56 56 multiply by 22 116 1112 1112 2 3 1 1 1 2 12 32 is area of 3 and 4 then area of 1 and 2 1 plus 2 this will be half of the area of square area of square is equal to 3136 divide by 2 15 6 or 8 area of lawn and area of flower bed area of lawn is without printed dotted and flower bed is dotted area of 68 plus 1 2 3 2 after multiply plus 28 meter square. Thank you.